Welcome back to Narcissist Unmasked. Today we're talking about a topic that hits close to home for many of us: healing after narcissistic abuse. As we enter a new year, it's the perfect time to focus on emotional recovery and self-improvement. Whether you're just starting your journey or you've been healing for a while, I'll share actionable steps to help you let go of past trauma and move forward with confidence. The first step is acknowledging what you've been through. Narcissistic abuse can leave you questioning your reality, but it's important to validate your experiences. Journaling can be incredibly helpful. Write down what happened, how it made you feel, and recognize that your pain is real and valid. Give yourself permission to feel, whether it's sadness, anger, or confusion. These emotions are part of the healing process, and repressing them will only slow your progress. Narcissistic abuse often creates a trauma bond, a deep emotional attachment to the very person who hurt you. Breaking this bond starts with going no contact or maintaining limited contact if you share responsibilities like co-parenting. Fill the void left by the narcissist with healthy activities. Surround yourself with supportive people, pick up new hobbies, and focus on things that bring you joy. Every step you take away from the narcissist is a step toward freedom. Narcissistic abuse often erodes your sense of self-worth. Rebuilding it takes time, but it's entirely possible. Start by challenging negative self-talk. For example, replace thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," with affirmations like, "I am worthy of love and respect." Also, set small, achievable goals for yourself. Each accomplishment, no matter how small, will remind you of your capabilities. Celebrate these wins. It's a form of self-love. Seeking professional help is crucial for recovery. A skilled therapist or counselor can guide you through the healing process, helping you to understand your experiences and emotions. To find the right professional, start by researching therapists who specialize in trauma and abuse. Look for credentials, read reviews, and don't hesitate to ask questions during an initial consultation. Remember, the right therapist will make you feel heard, understood, and supported. Self-care is crucial for emotional recovery. Prioritize activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Exercise, eat healthy meals, and make time for relaxation. Meditation and mindfulness practices can also help you stay grounded and reduce anxiety. Letting go of resentment is a journey towards emotional liberation. It's about releasing the grip of anger and bitterness that holds you back. Embrace forgiveness as a tool for your own emotional growth and well-being. Write down your feelings in a letter, but keep it for yourself. Pour all your emotions into it, and then let it go by destroying it. This act of release can be a powerful step towards emotional freedom. Remember, letting go of resentment is essential for personal growth. Embrace the future with a positive mindset and open heart. You deserve peace and happiness. As you heal, it's important to look forward. Set new goals for the year. whether it's focusing on career growth, building meaningful relationships, or pursuing a passion project. Visualize the life you want and take small steps toward it every day. Remember, healing isn't linear. You might face setbacks, but each day is a new opportunity to move closer to the life you deserve. Embrace the journey and let your vision guide you to a brighter, more fulfilling future. Healing after narcissistic abuse is a journey, not a destination. Take it one day at a time and don't forget to celebrate your progress. This year is your chance to reclaim your life and embrace the person you were always meant to be. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on healing and self-growth. Let's make this new year a time of transformation and empowerment.